everyone. Today I will introduce the HSP technology of top wheel. HSP, the high-speed pulse, means you will have more droplets in single pulse time, so the deposition rate can increase 35% for mild steels, and the transition will be faster. Heat affected area can be narrow, the penetration can be deeper. And now let's see how to set parameters for HSP. First, choose the HSP in the process. Then in the feeder metal, we choose 1.2 mm carbon steel. Open the double pulse and back home. Using the encoder, we set the current at 198 amps. And the arc length is minus 0.9.